Welcome to iCare. By now, you would have received your Welcome to iCare email and have set up your password. Under Quick Links, select Create New Work Order. Select your region, if displayed. If regions are not set up for you, proceed by selecting the location requiring service. When the service request form populates, verify the address of the worksite. If additional details are available for the location of the service call, such as a suite or building number, it can be entered under Location Details. When creating your work order in iCare, there are 5 details related to the service that are required in order to save your request. These fields are identified here with red headers. First, you will set the priority, which will determine response time. Select from the drop-down menu the level of response time needed. By making a selection, the required on-site time will update based upon your predetermined service level agreement. This date and time will be provided to your local Convergent Service Department for acknowledgement and dispatching. If you are needing service on a specific date and time, you can enter your selection in the requested on-site fields. After making your selection, provide a purchase order or its equivalent for billing purposes, such as a contract, vendor, or regional ID number. By clicking the question mark icon, an information box will appear. Next, select the service contact for the work order. This will be the individual our service specialist will contact prior to site arrival. If a new contact needs to be added, click Add New and enter the requested details. If the site or the service request does not require the specialist to make contact, select No Service Contact Required. By clicking the question mark icon, an information box will appear. Under the Issues section, click Additional Equipment. A drop-down menu will appear. This is where you will select the equipment type to be serviced. In the problem description field, you will enter details related to the type of service being requested. For a reminder of what details to include, click the question mark icon to display an information box. Additional equipment can be added if necessary. By providing as much detail as possible, our specialist will be better prepared for your service call. After completing the required fields, you have the option to attach documents to your service request. These can be site drawings, pictures of the device, or screenshots. Under File Attachment, click Upload Files and search for the documents from your computer. When the service request form is complete, click Create Work Order. You have now created your service request and are provided with a work order number for reference. At this time, your local Convergent service team will receive a notification of your request and you will be contacted soon. You can click here to view your work order or click OK to be directed back to the main menu. To review or check status of your ticket at a later time, you can visit iCare and select the Work Order tab. For quick access, type your work order number in the iCare search field and select the ticket. If you need to provide additional information, locate the Customer Notes field and enter the detail. Scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save Work Order Changes. A notification will be sent to the local Convergent Service Department with your update. We also recommend using this field to notify the local service department if you would like to cancel your work order. When logged into iCare, you may also check the status of your service request from the Work Order menu. Under Service Work Orders, select View Active or View Complete. Proceed to select your region and location. Select your service ticket and scroll to see the resolution notes, parts used, and the work order history. If your ticket is in one of Convergent's incomplete due to statuses, view the Parts Needed and Comments table to see what the pending action is and who it is required from. If you have any questions about iCare, please do not hesitate to contact your local Convergent Service Department. Thank you for your time and for giving Convergent Technologies the opportunity to be your best service provider.